Here I've got Alcatel A3 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts and pick the contact that you would like to change the picture to. So in my case it's hard reset. Let me tap on edit icon and finally find and select camera icon. And now you can either take a photo or choose one from existing ones. So let me pick choose photo from recents. Here it is, crop picture, just once. And now just select the size, tap on save, and that's it. Confirm it by tapping on save icon, this confirmation mark. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. From now on, once this contact will call you, you will see this picture. So as you can see, from now on this photo is connected with this particular contact. So that would be all. This how you can quickly and easily add photo to a contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.